Let's go over the basic outline of a research report or a thesis. This is the standard APA way of presenting original research. So this is the format that you will use if you are doing a research report, if you're doing a thesis proposal, or for your master's thesis. This is what we use at Azusa Pacific. Well, there are four main sections plus appendices. So let's cover these four sections. The first section is the introduction to the problem. This is kind of the introduction, the setup, the previous research. You start off with a broad presentation of the need, the research question, or the problem statement. And then you review the literature, what we already know about the problem and potential solutions, covering the different variables that are going to be involved in your study. And then you conclude with your hypotheses. And so this is kind of like an essay with an introduction, a body, and then the conclusion are your hypotheses that you're going to test. The second section are the methods. That's what you did to get additional information. And you're trying to write this with enough detail so that somebody could read the methods sections and reproduce it and get the same results as you did if they used a sample from the same population. So it needs to be really specific and cover a lot of the details of what you do. The third section is the results. This is the information that we gained and what it means. This is the section where you put all the statistics. For a lot of people, this is the section that they skip when they read a journal article because this is the real heavy statistics section. And then the fourth section is the discussion. And that doesn't have statistics in it. It doesn't have numbers in it. In fact, it starts off with a summary of the results without any numbers in it. So in this discussion, you talk about how the results relate to the problem and to previous research, and you can add in things like limitations and the need for future reference or future research. Now, the appendices, that provides details and supplementary materials about the study. Maybe the scales that you used, maybe details about if you're doing some experimental manipulation, things that are just kind of long and not super crucial to the study for the general reader, but you want to include in an appendix.